Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to block or unblock the registry in Windows 11 through different chapters. Chapter 1. Block Windows 11. Registry from Policy Editor. We will start by using the Windows search engine to search for the word regedit. Then, we click on the Edit Group Policy tool to open it. Here we will click on the following menu sections: User Configuration, Administrative Templates, and finally, System. We locate the option Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools and double-click on it to open it. Within this window, we will activate the Enabled option. Check that within Options, the question Disable Regedit from Running Silently contains the answer Yes. Then apply the changes with OK. By having this option set to Enabled, we see that if we now try to access the Registry Editor, we will see an error appear. To solve this problem and return to having correct access to the Registry Editor, we open the policy called Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools again. On this occasion, we are going to activate the option called Not Configured. Apply the changes again by clicking on OK. We open the Registry Editor again from the Windows search engine to verify that the access error no longer appears. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. Lock Windows 11. Registry from Registry Editor. The first step will be to open the Registry Editor from the Windows search engine. Then we will go to the menu route that you can follow on the screen. Once we get to the Policies folder, we right-click on it, select New, and then choose the key type. We will give this new key created the name System. On this new key called System, we are going to right-click. We will now choose to create a new 32-bit DWORD value. Next, we'll name this new value Disable Registry Tools. Finally, double-click on the newly created value. Within the editing window, set the value of 1. Save the changes by clicking on OK. If we now try to enter the Registry Editor from the Windows search engine, we will see that an access error appears. To solve this problem, we will do the following steps. First, open the Notepad tool from the Windows search engine. Then copy and paste the code that we leave you in the description and that you can see on the screen. Save the Notepad file by clicking on File and then on the Save As option. Assign a custom name ending with the extension .reg. In the Type option, you will have to select the All Files mode. Finally, save the created file in the path you prefer. Next, open Windows Terminal as administrator by right-clicking on the Windows icon and choosing that option. The first thing will be to place ourselves through commands in the disk path where the file has been saved. In this case, we write the drive letter as you see on the screen to place ourselves there. You can use the clear command anytime you want to clear the screen. We will also use the ls command to list the content within the current location, and thus also check the name of the file created earlier. The next thing will be to execute the command syntax that you see on the screen, customizing it with the name of the .reg file that we had created. We leave the terminal with the exit command. After all this, if we open the Registry Editor again, we will see that it already allows access normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.